Describe how often you go to the cinema. I go to the cinema about once a month. I usually go with my friends on weekends. We like to watch funny and action movies. The cinema is big and clean. I enjoy eating popcorn and drinking cola there. I feel very happy when I watch movies with my friends. It's always a fun time.
How often do you go to the cinema?
I go to the cinema about once a month.
Who do you usually go with?
I usually go with my friends.
When do you go to the cinema?
I go on weekends.
What kind of movies do you like to watch?
I like funny and action movies.
What is the cinema like?
It is big and clean.
What do you enjoy eating and drinking there?
I enjoy popcorn and cola.
How do you feel when you watch movies with your friends?
I feel very happy
Why do you like going to the cinema?
because it's always a fun time.